Run away right now, everyone, because the big volcano is going to explode!
Watch out for the flying red foam. It is shooting everywhere so fast.
Oh no! The entire mountain structure is falling down onto the wooden floor. Step back so the messy volcano foam does not spill onto your clean school sneakers.
Please stay calm and move backward toward the exit doors right now, children.
What is happening right now? I did not mix those dangerous ingredients at all!
Look at that big mess! Emma completely ruined our annual school science fair.
This dangerous explosion could have hurt our children. Someone must take the full blame.
Please listen to me. It was never supposed to erupt until the final presentation.
Stop the noise immediately, and I need to know exactly why this safety failure occurred.
My legs are shaking so much because everyone is staring angrily at me now.
All of my hard work from the last 3 months is completely destroyed today.
Everything is completely gone, and now everybody thinks I caused this terrible disaster.
Attention, students and parents. The science fair judging is officially suspended until further notice.
Our group project was right next to yours, and now we cannot compete either.
Are you okay, Emma? Did you really change the chemical recipe this morning?
I promise you, Ethan, I carefully followed every single measurement written in my lab book.
The school should disqualify her immediately for putting everyone in such unnecessary danger.
Let us not jump to conclusions before we properly clean up and investigate everything.
I just want to disappear right now because I brought shame to our school. Nobody wants to stand near me anymore because they believe I ruined their special day.
Emma, sweetheart, I heard a loud noise from the hallway. Are you hurt anywhere?
Dad, my volcano exploded early and now the entire school hates me so much.
Take a deep breath, my brave girl. We will figure out what really went wrong.
We still have your notes, so do not give up hope just yet, sweetie. Look at the ink. All the careful notes I wrote are completely ruined and illegible.
I never want to build another science project ever again as long as I live. Everyone is laughing at me in their classrooms, and I can hear their whispering voices.
Mistakes and accidents happen in real science all the time, but you cannot quit now.
This was not just a simple mistake. It was the worst disaster in school history. My room used to feel like a great inventor lab, but now it feels lonely. I do not even want to look at my yellow STEM Club hoodie anymore. This notebook holds all my creative dreams, but none of them worked out properly. Science is not for me, and I am throwing all my crazy invention ideas away.
Giving up your great passion today will only make your heart hurt even more, Emma.
Drink some warm milk and rest tonight, and tomorrow morning will bring a fresh new perspective.
Thank you, Dad. But tomorrow, everyone at school will still remember the volcano explosion. I wish I could turn back time and stop myself from entering that contest. Please let tomorrow be a peaceful day without anyone pointing fingers at my face.
The bright morning sun is shining, but my stomach feels completely tied in knots. I will just walk very quickly and quietly so nobody notices me walking past. There goes the volcano girl who covered the entire stage in smelly red slime.
Their hurtful words sting so bad, but I must keep walking straight to homeroom.
Hey, Emma, wait a second. I really need to show you something very strange.
I found this unusual tiny gadget stuck underneath your volcano table during cleanup time.
Look closely at these burnt wires, and this is an infrared receiver, not a baking soda valve.
Wait, I never put any remote control gadgets inside my vinegar pressure tube yesterday.
Exactly. Somebody else's frequency signal must have triggered the electronic heat wire by complete accident.
Good morning, children. What interesting discovery are you both inspecting so closely right there? Mrs. Carter, please look at this receiver that was hidden right beneath Emma's volcano table.
This clearly belongs to a remote-controlled robotics kit from the 7th grade engineering division.
Does that mean my chemical recipe was completely safe and balanced the whole time?
Yes, Emma. This evidence proves the explosion was an unintended technical interference from elsewhere.
Come with me right now. We must present this critical evidence to the head judges. We tested the frequency signal, and it matches the remote car from table number 4.
Emma, we owe you a very sincere apology for blaming you without investigating first.
Attention students and staff. We have an important official announcement regarding yesterday's science fair.
The volcano eruption was caused by accidental remote interference, and Emma is entirely innocent.
I feel terrible for welling at her yesterday when it was not her fault. Hearing that announcement feels like a giant, heavy rock was lifted off my chest.
The stage is clean now, but the competition judging finishes in just 3 hours.
It is a pity Emma cannot present because her original volcano model is broken.
What if our entire class works together right now to rebuild the whole volcano? Could we really rebuild a giant volcano model in less than 3 short hours? We are here to help you, Emma, and let us make this project bigger and better.
I brought fresh materials from the local craft store so everyone can build together.
Thank you, everyone. And let us organize our team into 3 fast working groups right now.
I will secure the wooden base and ensure all electrical wires are safely disconnected.
We are preparing the papier-mâché strips to shape the steep, rocky mountain slopes quickly.
Exactly 2 drops of soap will create a smooth foaming reaction without any dangerous pressure.
Make sure the center release tube is completely straight so the foam rises evenly.
Everyone is working so quickly and harmoniously. This feels like a real scientific laboratory. Adding tiny green trees around the mountain base makes the whole landscape look very realistic.
I will write down Emma's chemical hypothesis clearly so the judges can read everything.
When the vinegar enters the chamber, Carbon dioxide gas will push the bubbly foam upward.
This bright warning sign will remind everyone to keep a safe distance during demonstration.
We only have 30 minutes left on the clock, and let us do the final touches.
The warm air will dry the acrylic paint completely before the judges start walking over.
This is not just my project anymore. It represents our entire wonderful team spirit.
Look at that magnificent mountain. It looks even more impressive than the original one. The head judges are approaching our table now, and let us stand together and smile.
Good afternoon, esteemed judges. Welcome to our collaborative chemical reaction and geology demonstration.
We are very excited to hear your explanation, Emma, and please begin whenever you are ready.
Our experiment demonstrates how acetic acid reacts with sodium bicarbonate to create harmless gas bubbles.
I am now adding the liquid reactant slowly into the main central reaction chamber.
Observe how the bubbling foam rises slowly and steadily without any dangerous loud popping sounds.
Wow, look how beautifully the lava foam flows down the painted rocky mountain ridges.
The controlled flow rate and safety measures in this new design are truly exceptional today. We did it successfully together. The chemical reaction worked exactly the way it should. May I have everyone's attention for the final awards presentation of this year's fair?
My heart is beating fast with excitement as the principal opens the gold envelope.
For showing extraordinary resilience, scientific curiosity, and exceptional teamwork, one group truly stood out today. The Best Collaboration Award officially goes to Emma and her entire 5th grade STEM team.
Everyone is clapping loudly and cheering our names, and this feels like an absolute dream.
Congratulations, Emma. You proved that true scientists never give up when facing unexpected challenges.
Holding this beautiful trophy feels so wonderful because we earned every single part together.
This trophy belongs to all of us, because without your help, this would never happen.
We are the ultimate STEM team, and we proved that science brings friends closer.
I am so proud of your courageous heart and your brilliant mind, my darling girl.
You handled a very difficult situation with great maturity and scientific grace today, Emma.
Everyone gather in close around the volcano model and say cheese for the school newspaper.
This wonderful photograph will capture our happiest school memory for many years to come. Today started out feeling like the worst day ever, but it turned into the best.
I am so glad I kept my yellow hoodie on and did not quit believing.
I already have 5 brand new ideas for our next regional engineering and science challenge.
A fresh new notebook page is waiting for all our future creative scientific adventures.
Let us go celebrate our big victory with some delicious strawberry ice cream cones, Dad. When experiments fail, real scientists do not cry. They simply learn and try again together.
Together as a supportive team, there is no difficult problem in the world we cannot solve.
Thank you for believing in me, and never, ever give up on your biggest dreams.